Okay, so everyone, welcome to this episode of Impact Insanity Outdoors. I'm absolutely stoked. I'm here with my good buddy Sean. It's our first night. We're down out of Sacramento and we're fishing some private ponds with him. Why don't you just kind of give us a scoop on the ponds and what the deal is here?
Yeah, so this is just our community pond. It is private, so actually you have security that protects it. It's a man-made pond. It's gorgeous. As you can see the scenery, it's got bubblers, aerators all the way around. It's got incoming water too, fresh water, keep it clean. So, you know, it's not very deep. It's only about 11 feet deep at its deepest spot, but it's catch and release, and just keep getting bigger and bigger in here.
Yeah, so we're super stoked. Hopefully we'll have some great action for you, and we'll let you know how it goes.
Fish on.
Let's go.
Nice and easy. It's going to be a big fish right here. Okay, just bring him up. Oh, look, that's good cat. Nice and easy. Nice fish. Every time you get close. Is it a big one or a small one, Kel? Oh, look at that. Nice. Nice. Oh, yeah. Kel's cat. That is a heck of a cat. Look at that bad boy. Kelly's hooked up again. We've got one fish right here at the bank, and this over here on her now. And let him go. Off. Another one on. It might be a decent one. He feels like a longer. Bring that. Wow.
Yeah, he's about like those other two big ones we caught. Oh, that's pretty good. Here we go. Well, so far we've had great luck, caught a lot of big fish. Sean's been working the lake for bass, and Kel and I have been absolutely slaying the big cats. So, you know, big thanks to Sean and Tanya for having us out here. This has been just an awesome trip, and man, we're just catching a lot of fish. So we're gonna get this big guy back in and see if we can catch some more. Good.
Yeah. Hi, my name's Sean Gebauer. I'm longtime friends with Jason Gasway, and invited him down this weekend to fish the pond here we have in our community. I'm gonna be starting a brand new company coming up the next couple weeks. We're actually working everything out right now as far as the web design. It's gonna be a fishing clothing and apparel company. Basically gonna be selling all kinds of merchandise that relates to the fishing industry. So if you could, check me out on Instagram. You can find me at FortSider25. And Facebook, you can look me up by name, Sean Gebauer, last name spelled Gebauer, A-U-E-R. I'm going to spell my last name. The company name's Tails Up Fishing Company, short, Tufco. So check it out. I'll be having some upcoming posts on both Instagram and Facebook. And
turns them loose. So what we're using is just sardines, old bait fish, that kind of stuff. And all we're going to do is on this pole, we got 2 hooks. We're going to take and run it right through under the backbone, which helps hold it in place. And up through like that. So there's the first one. And my second hook.
What's the purpose of 2 hooks?
Well, it just gives you got
2
2
chances
hooks
to
for
catch?
2 chances to catch a fish. Yeah, it's and in here there's a lot of catfish. So I gotta give him line. I gotta see if he'll come out of there. Hey, kill. So the interesting part, what we have is I'm hooked in some weeds. And I've got a big fish on. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Come on, swim out of there. Give him some line, see what he does. No. This is a big fish. I can see him right there. Okay, I got to go under there. I think I'm hooked up in the, I got a bunch of the weeds on me. There we go. Okay, Kel, I'll keep camming, I'm coming at you. This is a good one. Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice cat. Dude, I did exactly what I told you. I threw it over that limb and let it sink about that far below the water. He ain't tired yet.
We're getting a warm bath.
Yeah. There we go. How's that one?
There you go.
Well, we finally got a good cat, so Sean's gonna come give him a kiss.
Oh, absolutely.
The big This is going, starting, and back in the water. And he's off. Bring it in. Oh yeah. Come on in. That's what's been getting us.
Huh?
Get off?
No.
Oh, you got bass?
It's a bass.
Whose lip? Why is it open like that?
You gonna get up or are you gonna sit there?
Huh?
Oh, that's it. Yep. Let him go. All right, Kelly's picked up. Excellent. Dude, they're crazy that way. You fighting good?
It was like,
Oh, big boy. Oh my gosh. I want to wear him out because that's a big fish. Easy right there. That is a stud. So Kelly obviously smoked a giant. I ran back to get some bait, and when I got back, she had this big old boy. She had this just giant. So when I got back, she had this just huge cat. We're gonna see how heavy he is, get the hook, and get him back in the water. I'll get my phone. You gotta grab him. Okay, turn. There you go. And then I'm gonna come right next to you. Hold on. Good. Well, everybody, hope you enjoyed this episode of Impact Insanity Outdoors. As you saw, we absolutely hammered the big catfish. Sean caught one really good bass. Kelly caught a nice bass, and well, I kind of blanked on the bass. But hey, what an awesome trip. You know, it was great having Sean, with us and having him invite us down here for this fishing trip. And we hope you all enjoyed it. Again, please comment. Let us know what you want to see more of. You know, you can check us out on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube channel. And if you have any questions, ask. We like to interact. We like to give you guys our feedback. And if we can help you at all, that's what we're here for. So again, thanks for joining this episode of Impact Insanity Outdoors, and we'll see you next week. Tell me when you're hitting the water. Fish down, fish down. Okay, we're back in business.
He's all dirty.
Switch him.